What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here at the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Sundowner heated and cooled seat and show you how to install it. Now heated gear is one thing, but a heated and cooled seat is taking rider comfort to another level entirely. This seat has a redesigned heating function that can reach set temperature in only 7 minutes, which is twice as fast as previous heated seats. The cooling function draws heat away from your body to cool you down. In about 10 to 20 minutes, you'll experience its optimal cooling effect. Because this is a full seat, the passenger benefits from the heating and cooling technology as well. The passenger has to use the same temperature mode as the pilot, but they can adjust the level to their preference or switch the function off altogether. The seat is well padded and the bucket design is great for all-day touring comfort. If it starts to rain or you're giving your motorcycle a wash, the seat's seam-sealed construction will prevent water from leaking through and soaking the seat's foam. This seat works with 2014 and later touring and tri-glide models, and it's also compatible with those models if they have the rider backrest mounting kit as well. Please note that there are some specific requirements for installation, such as wire harnesses and brackets depending on what year and model you have. These required products are sold separately. To install the seat, first locate the accessory circuit connector on the motorcycle. It may be plugged into the electrical caddy on the right side of the bike. Then, plug the wire adapter harness into the accessory circuit connector on the motorcycle. Zip tie the accessory circuit connector end of the wire harness to avoid pinching or damaging the excess wiring. Please note that the accessory circuit connector on the wire harness will only be used when additional accessories besides this heated seat need to be attached. Route the opposite end of the wire harness up through the frame and connect it into the seat harness underneath the heated seat. Tuck the wiring in and replace the side cover. Then mount and secure the seat onto the rear fender. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy the heated and cooled seat. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.